team. The intel on this op comes from our informant in Russia. The package is aboard a medium freighter, Estonian registration number 52775. There is a small crew and a security detail on board.
Rules of engagement, sir.
Crew expendable.
Baseplate, this is Hammer 2-4. We have visual on the target. ETA 60 seconds.
Copy, 2-4.
30 seconds, going dark. 10 seconds. Radio check. Go to secure channel.
Lock and load.
Green light. Go, go, go.
Weapons free. Bridge 6. Hold your fire. Guys, stay at the bird till we secure the decks. Over. Roger that. Squad, on me. Stairs, clear. Last call. Hallway, clear. Sleep tight.
Forward deck is clear. Green light on Alpha. Go.
Ready, sir. Man out. 3 meter spread. Got 2 on the platform. I see them. Tango down. Target neutralized. We've got company. Hammer 2-4, we've got tangos on the second floor.
Copy. Engaging. Bravo 6, Hammer's at bingo fuel. We're bugging out. Big Bird will be on station for evac in 10.
Copy, Hammer. Warcroft, Griffin, cover our 6. The rest of you, on me. Roger that. I like to keep this for close encounters.
Too right, mate.
On my mark, go!
Clear left.
Clear right. Hallway, clear. Move up. Stairs, clear.
Movement right.
Tango down. Hallway, clear. Move up. Check your corners. Stand by. On my go.
Standing by.
Flashbang out. Go.
Catwalk clear. Got you covered. Move up.
Squad, on me. Move up. Stack up. No tangos inside. Ready, sir. Go. Clear left.
Clear right.
Move. Movement right. Move up.
Forward area clear.
Move. Clear right.
Clear left.
Stack up. Stand by. On my go. 1 ready.
2 ready.
On my mark. Go.
Tango down.
Report. All clear? Roger that.
I'm getting a strong reading, sir. You might want to take a look at this.
It's in Arabic. Baseplate, this is Bravo 6. We've found it. Ready to secure package for transport.
No time, Bravo 6. 2 bogies, headed your way fast. Grab what you can and get the hell out of there.
Fast movers. Probably means we better go.
So, grab the manifest in the container. Move! Alright, everyone topside. Double time. Warcraft Griffin, what's your status?
Already in the helicopter, sir! Enemy aircraft inbound!